Igembe Development Organization anabara bonthe bautumira nonto ba umaskini umaskini bora hoe hai bau neboto in collaboration na charitable organizations yinge na kuba link na government programs ira si support bara bati ochumba pio bau nabo bakachokwa sukuru ni our organization and other organizations ko no ba tuliongere
kutoka leo tumeweka vichwa yetu kwamba come next year tutashirikiana and will make sure all these 30,000 children are accounted for. They should go back to school. We will do everything it takes as a government and as a community. Na nikiwa haba natoa honyo kwa wakulima wa miraa. Miraa ni baraka sana. Miraa is a blessing. Lakini kwamba ikifika kiwango wewe unaajiri watoto to the extent kwamba waende shule and then you are turning miraa to be a crime. So come next year, any farmer who is going to employ children, action will be taken. Vile hii lori Probox ambao itatumika kusafirisha watoto kwenda kwa mashamba kufuna miraa, kwamba ninakuonya hii leo hii tutachukua hatua, utapelekwa kotini.
The fact that school dropout is highest in this region, and one of the main reasons why there is that high school dropout is because we have enabling factors like miraa harvesting, which is this is a blessing we've been given by God, and we must be able to organize it.
Andoraba tu ya miraa okia kuwato na wekirete Probox ine ndo Probox ine wekiranto forte na lori wekiranto eana okia kuwato omenye okona nuna sheria miraa turende tuwe ne antu banene na otero njurinjeke na tuwe tayari kukariana mazikuru ate atwe miraa ndetu ne antu banene.